Let's go see how everybody else is doing. Is that red Tesla done? Yeah. Okay. Okay, cool. Thank you. What's left on this? No way on lunch? Okay, cool. Gotta make sure everybody takes their lunch and or breaks. That one's leaking like a mug. I want to use it. Where's the big one?
The big one's not working. It's not spraying soap.
It's not working?
What? I did this side. I did the driver's side. And he did the passenger.
So what do you mean it's not working? Can you take that extractor out? It's leaking all in my shops.
That's the hose that's been on there for a while.
Okay. But yeah, it's the super long hose.
Changed the...
It just wasn't spraying?
It wasn't spraying soap.
Yeah, because it's clogged right now. It's not the extractor. It's the head. So, just gotta swap it out for now. There's probably something stuck in the orifice, a tiny little hole that makes it spray. I'll show you right now. So that little hole right here where it sprays out, there might be a little pebble that gets in there. Usually happens. So I'm turning the pump. There you go. So this is spraying, which means it's fine, except I see a weird stream, which means this might be clogged as well. So this is gonna be good. You gotta swap out the head. So now I gotta fix the head. Just ask next time. I need my crescent wrench. Teflon tape. So we're gonna take off the front. This isn't the first time. Sometimes there's a lot of sediment in the water or solution that people put in their extractor. A tiny little pebble can get in there. Even though there's like a little filter, it doesn't take much to clog this up. So we're gonna take it out and clean it out. Yeah, something was clogging it.
There might a couple of needles in there. Yeah. This is poor man's food, Luan. You wouldn't know.
So just blow it out, clean it out. I'm gonna re-Teflon tape it so it's sealed. This is like the second time I have to do this on this specific head. All right, let's put it back on. So let's see if it works. I'm gonna use the other extractor we just fixed, because I don't want to bother them. You don't want to bother the real people that are working. I'm just kind of working. That'll do. Extension cord in. Plug in the pump. Turn on the pump. Plug in the extension cord. What's clogging you, pal? What's clogging you? Now I'm gonna take this off and try to clean that and flush it out. Feel like it could be anything, you know? Some things are uncontrollable here. So this is all through experience. Nobody taught me any of this. It's like a trial and error. Like, okay, so this isn't working, why? Let's try to figure out why it's not working. Maybe it's clogged. Well, where else can it be clogged? I need another crescent wrench.
Imagine Luan doesn't even know who I am.
I don't know, that's what I was thinking. I was like, someone's just following Luan around. I'm like, fuck. Well, that's cool, dude. That's cool.
He's from the news station, right?
Yeah, news station.
Oh, really?
Oh, see all that? All that stuff? That's what's clogging it. All that rust right here? That's an issue. Gotta clean all that out. Just found this random bolt, lag screw I found right here. Whatever's around me, I'm just gonna use it. It's there. You see how much cleaner it is now? So that's just constant buildup. And there's like no Teflon tape on here too. So I wanna make sure it's sealed. When you tape away from you. So away, 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 away. And that's gonna be going with the thread. So that's clockwise, righty-tighty. So when you're going, because a lot of people do it the opposite way, and when you tighten it, it loosens up the Teflon tape. So test it out. Since I'm done with the extractor, I'm gonna use this one. What seat? Oh, Marco's? Yeah.
And stuff, that's yours?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, okay, cool. Well,
Let's pull this away. So, come on. Give me something. Guess that's not it. I really don't want to take the whole thing apart. I've never actually had to do this. I did that, so it gave me access to this. Let's see if this hose is dirty. I'm gonna connect this and see if anything's going through the hose at all. It's not going through the hose. So now I know the hose is the problem.
And they always?
Always. All right, so that's clean. Where'd that piece go? Did I put it somewhere? Where did it go? Where'd I put it? Where'd I put it? Where'd I put it? The end to this. I just took it off. Oh my God. This is spring loaded, so maybe something's in there that's clogging it as well. I'm not gonna make it super tight. We got water. We got it. Tell you, everything's so loud here. So I'm gonna make sure this is tight. Teflon tape. It's like a 1/4 inch. Well, when you Teflon tape, make sure it never goes over, or else it's gonna tear inside the tube and it could clog up whatever you're using as well. So make sure Teflon tape stays outside of the tube. And after a while, you think like, oh, this is just common sense, but really, I've been playing with this stuff for so long, been having to fix things for so long. It's just common sense for me, but for everybody else, this is like, I would never know how to do this. There you go. Make sure it's tight. All right, moment of truth. There it is. Ah, it's clogged. Something's clogged in there. Okay. Something's clogged in there. All right, we got it. So I'm gonna take this other one off and put it back to where it belongs. And this goes back here. And that's it for the extractors today.